to my channel. It's your girl DaeLexi. If you are new, hi, hello, welcome to my corner of YouTube universe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If and when you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So as you guys remember by the title, today we're going to install a natural protective style. So I want my hair to look like my natural hair, act like my natural hair, but not be my natural hair. But this is my natural hair, and if you guys watch my previous video, which is my wash day, which I will link in our cards, you will see like how I got my hair to be like this. It's super moisturized and flowy, but I'm gonna put it away. So yes, I wanted to show you guys my hair out before, because I wanted you guys to get like an idea of what my hair looks like and what the protective style will look like. So yeah, this is my natural hair. Nice and curly and soft. So if you're interested to see how I got my hair like this, I definitely watch the wash day video after this. But anyways, let's get into this video. So for this protective style, you're going to need some shine and jam. You're going to need a rat tail comb, clips, your crochet needles. I have two oils. This is my castor oil and this is the wild goat oil. As you guys know, what the wild goat oil, you guys know that, and the truth. Okay, this is the hair that we will be using. It is of a natural texture, so you guys can see, and it's in 16 inches. Okay, so let us prep our hair for the style. Okay, so to get clean parts, I'm gonna go in with the shine and jam. So first I make an initial part and then I put the shine and jam on it, and I go in again to make sure that for that part is perfect. Okay, especially the center part. The other partings will not be as perfect because they're not important, they will not be shown, but the center part is key. So I'm just putting away the hair that I plan to leave out. As I always say, you guys, you just have to modify the hairstyle to always please you. You don't necessarily have to do leave out because it's not necessary. So yeah, I'm just going to put every part that you guys will see with a flat twist are areas that I will leave out. The ones with braids will be left just like that. I will crochet hair on it. So as you guys are seeing, I'm finishing up the braid, and I want to tell you guys that I did go in with some curly Nancy smoothie on the ends of every braid. So initially my hair was moisturized with a 3-in-1, but I did go in with some curly Nancy smoothie just to give extra moisture. So that is my braiding pattern, right? So I'm going to go in with my oil to make sure that my scalp is not itchy, because you don't want, after you put in a protective style, your scalp is on fire. So just go in with whichever oil is perfect for you. As I always say, customize whatever I give you. So I'm just going in with the wild growth oil between every part, creases and everything. Even the part that I will be leaving out, I'm putting oil on my scalp. Okay, so this is my braiding pattern, and I found that this is the best braiding pattern for crochet hair because it conceals the braids underneath and you don't have the line of demarcation going down the center of your head. So as you guys are seeing, I'm just crocheting the end of my braid to secure them because I want to make sure that the crochet hair don't fall off. So you're just going to use your crochet needle and crochet the ends of your hair between the twists or the braids to secure it. To tell you guys a little bit about the hair, so this is the expression twisted up hair. It is in the color 1B that I am using. It's also great for spring twists or Afro hairstyles. It is pre-stretched, pre-separated, pre-fluffed, everything. So it comes with 3 bundles in the pack, as you guys will see. So I'm using the length 16. You do have, I think, 24 or 28, but in this one that I'm using, this is the 16-inch. I don't need more than a pack. I definitely use less than a pack, to be honest, to install this here. I have about one of the bundle leave back. I just took like a small piece out of one of the bundle, so you don't need to buy more than a pack. If you want it full, you can, but you won't need 2 packs. With separating the hair, you want to make sure that you separate it as quick as possible because this will minimize it getting tangled up on you. So after you separate the hair, you're going to take your crochet needle, you're going to push it through your hair, and then you're going to hook the hair on it. This is after you open the hook, of course. So after that, you just pull it through and then you make a knot. As you guys will see, there are multiple methods to crocheting here, and I will show you guys that through the entire video. If you choose to do the braiding pattern that I did, you can always just do some chunky plaits and then just secure the ends of it and crochet the hair on it. You don't have to go in with a braid, but if you choose to do that, you want to make sure that you secure the ends of the braids, and make sure that as you are going to the front of your hair, you start using smaller pieces. As you guys will see up close, the closer you get to the front, the smaller the pieces you use to make sure that it's flat and it's not too bulky. Because you don't want it to be that you have too much hair at the front of your hair and it doesn't frame your face well. You have to be considerate of how it will look when you do the other side. So spread them out as you go to the top of your head, and to make sure that it frames your face, you put it at an angle that it frames your face. Okay, so I'm just going to continue doing that, and as soon as I finish installing all the crochet hair, then I will show you guys how I blend my natural hair with the crochet hair. As I said before, you don't necessarily have to leave some of your hair out. You can just put all of the hair away and frame it in a way to make sure that it covers the circumference of your head so that no one can tell that it's crochet. However, if you choose to do leave out, I highly suggest after you finish installing the braids, you flat twist your hair, because it will give it that kinky look that will help blend with the crochet hair. And when you're doing this, add products to it, because sometimes if you don't add products to it, as soon as breeze touch it, it will shrink up, and then you will see the obvious layers in it, and you can tell that it's not your hair. So doing the flat twist will allow your hair to stretch and also give the illusion of the crochet hair. Okay, so as I'm showing you guys, this is my hair with one bundle out of the 3 in my hair. So as you guys can see, it gives a full look. So you won't need more than 1 pack, in my opinion. If you want it to be longer, then you can go in with a longer length. But 1 pack can do your hair. I guarantee that. Okay, so I'm installing the last piece of crochet here, and now I'm going to unravel the flat twist, all the areas that will be flat twist in the back of my head, the tool that is at the front, and the tool that's on the side. So you want to make sure before you unravel that, to make sure that there's no space of the braids that you're feeling. So use your fingers and feel if there's any, or if it looks to you that one side is fuller than one, then this is where you will go in and just try to pull it up. But don't try to pack it, and then at the end of the day you have too much in. It's better to install more than to take out. Okay, so it's time now to blend. As you guys can see, I left some out in the back, and this is because just in case I wanted to put my hair up in a high puff, I am protected and it won't be obvious that it's crochet hair. So if you do not plan to do any updos with the hair, you don't have to leave out that part, but I intended to, so that's why I left it out. And the front and the side, I intended to put it up in a puff. So if you want that, then I encourage that you do those you leave out those areas rather, so that it can blend properly. Okay, so you're gonna go in with your favorite edge control, whatever it is. The Ocean is not the best, so I do not suggest that you guys go out and buy it, but you would use your favorite edge control. As I told you guys, I still don't find a great edge control. I'm still searching. So yeah, so I did go in with the scissors and snip up any strand of hair that was not necessary, just to make sure that it gives me that round nice fro. Okay guys, so this is day 4 of wearing this here, and I forgot that I did not close this video, so I'm gonna take this time to close it and tell you guys a little about it. So as you guys can see, it has no problem blending with my natural hair. Okay, that is not a problem, but I must say that sometimes it gets tangled. As you guys can see, it's more of a Afro-ish texture, not Afro-ish texture, but more of a tight texture, so you will get tangles. And there are some times when I had to just use a scissors and just clip it up a little bit, but nothing extreme. So yeah, I do love this hair. It gives me a big puff when I need a big puff. It gives me a big fro, and you can also style it, you know, you can do your flat twist and stuff like that. So it gives you your natural hair without being your natural hair. So it's very flexible. That is what I should say, because yesterday rather, I'll wear most of it up, because remember I did leave the back part up so we can put it up in a puff and stuff like that. So yeah, I really love this hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's old now, but it is still cute. I really like it. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you see somebody that you think might appreciate this video, don't forget to share it with them. Yeah, so thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.